Hello, welcome back. I am Beth Hunter with Face First Fashion, and it is Prime Day, which is really like Prime Week this year. It is going the 8th through the 11th, which is absolutely amazing. I could not be more excited. It's literally one of my favorite days of the year because I get to find deals for you guys. So today we are actually going to go over a ton of home deals. So there's tons of kitchen, home, baby, things like that you're going to use every single day. Tons of those deals going on right now. Honestly, I feel like Prime Day, the prices are even less than Black Friday. So it's the time of year to stock up on all the things. If you're wanting to buy a vacuum, it's now, frame TV, all the things. That's pretty much when I bought all mine. So we're going to go over my favorite Prime Day purchases and what's on deal this year. Let's get into it. Okay, first we're starting off with the Viral Mop Vacuum. Okay, sounds crazy. I also personally thought to myself, it's not gonna do either one well, right? When you try to like mix up appliances, it's incredible. Here's the video. Literally will mop and vacuum at the same time. You can do both. So I'm like vacuuming up. I have a 1-year-old, 14-month-old. I don't even know. He's over 1, so we stopped counting, but he throws every single bit of food and everything all over the floor. This thing is a game changer. I use it pretty much every evening when I clean up the kitchen. It's incredible. It's cordless now. I mean, it can't even get better. This is the lowest price you're gonna see all year long. I'm super excited. I think it's the best, really honestly, home purchase I've ever made for myself as a mom, a busy mom, just anybody that has floors, you know, pets, game changer for pets too, because like, let's be honest, little muddy feet, we're getting into fall, it's only gonna get worse. So it's a game changer, an absolute must have, lowest price of the year, snag it now. It is definitely gonna sell out. Also, it self cleans. I mean, that's the craziest thing ever, right? Like I'm just obsessed. The whole thing is it's an absolute must, always a top seller. I feel like it's always talked about. It's like the viral product, so you've probably seen it, but if you've been wondering, now's the time to buy it. Next up, we are gonna talk about pots and pans. I'm the type of person, I will have the same random miscellaneous pots and pans that don't match, are burnt, like nonstick doesn't even work, a million different ways. These are dishwasher safe, nonstick, carbon, whatever it has to be to go in the oven, and the detachable handle. Not gonna lie to you, I've seen that everywhere and I'm like, who cares if the handle detaches, right? Like, what are we doing here? Well, I don't really know. It's for functionality, but it's also for storage purposes. And then you can just take it, like I will make things and then I'll wanna put them in the oven for a minute. You can literally just put them in the oven, take the handle off, amazing. But also, like I said, it's for storage. Like everything now like goes in my drawers and there's not like handles everywhere and you can't close the drawer. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. I'm obsessed. This set specifically I have and comes with like the lids, the detachable handles, the things to like set them in, like the cooling pad things too to set them on. I mean, it comes with tons of stuff. I'm obsessed. And pretty much every size you need. It also comes with a large saute pan, which I feel like you never really get. And I make a lot of 1-pan dinners. And so it comes with that, which is amazing, and the lid and everything. So just everything you need in one set. The price is absolutely incredible. Like I feel like I spent hundreds of dollars on these pots and pans and they're so good. This brand is actually the brand I replaced with these new ones. I had the other one for like at least 5 or 6 years, I think. And I paid like the same price. Like, I mean, it's incredible. So definitely a win. Okay, if you are a sports mom, I mean, and also let's be honest, we all drink from our tumblers. One of my, what I felt the bougiest, most ridiculous purchase like 2 or 3 Prime Days ago, a Nugget ice maker. And it makes it like, ours make it like Sonic ice, okay? Because some of them make the big ones. This one makes the Sonic ice. It is more expensive. It is worth every stinking penny. If your kids are in sports, how many times a day are you out of ice? Like, I feel like 50, okay? This is really fast, gets that ice going. It also makes a ton at once. It's amazing. Like I'm obsessed with this ice maker. I use it every single day, all day long. My kids use it, everybody uses it, and you just easily fill it up and it starts making it right away. So this one is worth every penny. I'm telling you, like, again, it was my bougie purchase like 2 years ago and I'm still obsessed with it and I would still buy it again and again. Okay, something else that's kind of random is, I feel like very controversial. Some people can't decide if they like the organization in the fridge or they don't. I personally like it for the fact that, like, is it more work sometimes to unstock your groceries? Probably. But I feel like it makes it easier for everyone to see what you have to eat. So your kids can find snacks easier, your husband can find snacks easier, and just like also like he's easily able to see, okay, we need eggs. So when he goes to the store, he can get eggs, you know, things like that. So I do think it's nice, but also for me, I know what I need to restock. I know what I have when I'm cooking. I know what I have when I'm grabbing things, instead of being like, oh, like I wonder if we have strawberries. Okay, we have strawberries over here shoved behind 6 different things. You know, I don't know. I think it's great. This is the best time again to just buy that, redo your fridge. Also, you're getting into back to school. And like, I am adamant about making back to school as streamlined as possible, because not only is it back to school, it's fall sports, it's all the things. And I just feel like it's so much easier to just have everything organized. So definitely a great way to start off just getting ready for back to school. So the organization is just key. I love it. This is the kind that I use. It's so good, affordable, make your life easier. Obviously too, the cordless Dyson, everybody loves it. I've never talked to a person that didn't like it. I will say I use the mop vac, but if you don't want the mop vac and you've been looking for a Dyson, this is the time to do it. And especially if you have a lot of carpet. I don't really have a lot of carpet, so I feel like this is the one. If you're gonna buy it, now's the time, right? It's the lowest price, it always is. So if you've been looking for it, it's here. Same with the frame TV. I will go ahead and link that. We did buy our frame TV last Prime Day. It was our purchase. I love it. I mean, there's really nothing else to say. It's a frame TV. It looks incredible. We're building a house. We'll have a frame TV above our fireplace. It's very aesthetic. I will say, like, as far as the artwork goes and stuff, like, you can just like change it as you wish, or you can just leave it. Like ours, I don't ever change it. It just stays whatever artwork I picked, and it just stays that forever. So that's nice. But you can also change it based on like the time of year. And again, it is the lowest price of the year right now. Okay, a couple other kitchen things that are kind of random, but I use all the time. This acrylic cutting board, okay, it seems simple, whatever. It is on my kitchen at all times because it's acrylic. You can't really see it. It doesn't ruin the aesthetic of your kitchen. Your kitchen still looks clean and nice and like everything's put away, but it just stays there. I use this 100 times a day, I swear. Not really, but I mean a ton, because I use it when I cook dinner. I use it when I make breakfast for the kiddos, when I'm cutting, you know, fruit and all the things that we're cutting, or vegetables or whatever. I use it all the time. Chicken, all the things. It's super easy to clean. I've had the exact same one for like 2 years, I think. So yeah, super easy to clean, dishwasher safe, all the things. But yeah, I just scrub it down really good, put it right back on there. It looks amazing, seamless style, 10 out of 10. And randomly enough, these stacking poles, okay? I've had these 2 or 3 years, literally same ones. They nest in each other, but then they also have lids. You know, as we're trying to get away from plastic, which I know it's hard, especially with like acrylic cutting board, still love it. You know, there's certain things, but I'm trying to get away from the Tupperware plasticness. And these are great because I can literally just put like the leftovers in them and then put the fitting lid and put them in the fridge, or like make something in a bowl and mix it up. I can literally just leave it in the mixing bowl and put it in the fridge. They have this soft on the bottom, so it doesn't like, isn't constantly hitting your countertops. And then it also comes with like the strainer and things like that, so I can like wash the berries in there, strain it out, and then put the lid on, put them right in the fridge. So I love these. They stack on top of each other. They store really easily. Just such a good purchase and so affordable. I'm a big, like, I use my mini vac all the time. I know that sounds ridiculous. Like, what I used to think, same thing before kids, what would I even use this for? I use it in the car seat, use it in the car, I use it in the fridge, I use it all the time. I use it all the time. I use it to vacuum up random dog food we've spilled. I use it when I don't want to get out my whole like vacuum. I use it all the time. I literally use it multiple times a day. I absolutely love it. It's really easy. It's also easy for the kids. Like if my son, he's 10, I'm like, hey, I need you to help up. Will you go vacuum up that? He doesn't go get the big vacuum. He goes and gets a mini vacuum, vacuums it up. And this happens like twice a year. Congratulations for him. No, but really, it is super helpful. But I absolutely love it. And these dishes, so I have been wanting new dishes forever, and I refuse to spend a ton at like Pottery Barn, somewhere like that. I just refuse. I think it's ridiculous because then I'm stressed out. Are they going to get broken? Are the kids, you know? So I got this dish set in the other day because I knew it was going to be on Prime Day deal because I get the, you know, the sneak peeks. And so I bought it for you guys to look at. I'm obsessed. It is so cute. Such a good look for less. Like the quality is incredible. It has like all the like edges look amazing. It looks so just like aesthetic. I love it when it sets out together. I got a very neutral option. There's some other ones. There's a light blue one that's really pretty. But yeah, it comes in, and it's also one of those sets that's affordable enough if you wanted to buy 2 of the sets now. So then you have enough if you host a ton and you want all your dishes to match and that kind of thing. So I love that too, because that's another problem when you look at like Pottery Barn, things like that. You're like, oh, I'm gonna buy these dishes, but I have to buy more dishes and then it's gonna cost this much. So these are really affordable right now. I think over 50% off. So just Yes, amazing. I'm completely obsessed. Okay, the viral carpet cleaner. Guys, guess what? It comes in a mini version this year. So, okay, let's break it down. There are 3 different carpet cleaners that are on sale. I love all 3 of them. I've tried all 3 of them. The Shark one is like heavy duty. I was super impressed. Here in this video, I literally wrote, they had me write on a chair like with a marker. And I was like, okay. And I mean, literally it came off. So this one is heavy duty. I love it. Great for upholstery, great for all things. This one I love for like carpet, just it's more like portable, if that makes sense, more lightweight, more easy for me to grab. With the baby, it's been a game changer, dogs, pets, everything. So I do love it too. I think it's great. I think both of these are great and really have the same like quality, give the same oomph to cleaning. The mini one is just amazing, right? Because you can literally like leave it in your car or easily take it with you. It's so lightweight, does it really fast. I can literally just grab it and do something in the nursery. So this one's even cuter, right? And also obviously cuteness matters when picking out a carpet cleaner, but seriously, it's so good. So all 3 of these are on sale. I have all 3 of them. You kind of can just pick and choose. The Shark one does come with more like attachments. So I think that's nice too. And there's more like scrubby. And then the little green, as much as cordless, I feel like has become like the trend. It is really nice, especially when you have kids around, whatever. Like if I go grab something, I have to plug it in. Can it go there? But like this one, I can literally just like pick up and clean the couch without having to worry about any of that. So it's quicker, easier, ready to use. They're all 3 amazing. I will link all 3 of them and you can kind of just pick what you think's best for your family. Pillows and sheets. Okay, actually, let's talk about it. I have had the same pillows from Amazon for like 5 years. I buy new ones. Everyone in our house uses them. They're absolutely incredible. They're hotel like quality, so plush and heavenly. I'm completely obsessed with them. Let me just get one. All right, here she is. They're just amazing. They're plush, they're poofy, they're perfect. I've had these for probably, I don't know. I don't think I've ordered new ones in at least 2 years, and these are still fluffy, plushy, fluffy, what are we calling that? Anyways, I love them. I think they're amazing. This is the lowest price of the year. This and like Black Friday, I think, are the lowest prices. So absolutely amazing, worth every penny. And sheets. I'm obsessed with my sheets. I actually recently became one of those really cool people that has 2 sets of sheets. Okay. I was like, oh, I should buy another one. And then I can just like, cause normally I like wash them and wait for them to get done and then put them back on the bed. I bought 2 sets. Guys, it's a game changer because you don't have to do that. You can just like change the bed while you're thinking of it. Like take them off, put new ones on. It's amazing. So buy yourself 2 sets of sheets, okay? But these are amazing. They're cooling, like just that. I don't even know. I'm obsessed. Even my son, literally, what he crawled into bed one day was like, Mom, your sheets, I want these sheets. And because they're so affordable, I got him them in the twin version. So he even has these sheets now. They're so good. So yeah, if you're needing sheets, bedding, that kind of thing, getting the house ready, these are the way to go. Okay, that wraps it up for all of the home deals that I'm obsessing over right now that you don't want to miss. Lowest price of the season. So make sure and grab them now. Don't forget to hit subscribe and find me over on Face First Fashion on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I am doing all the Prime Day deals, fashion reels, baby deals, my stories. I have billions of stories right now up to talk about the best Prime Day deals. It's my favorite time of year. I love my job. So don't forget to hit subscribe and follow along.